We're back here in Newborough on Ynys Môn for our second Lle Llais event. This time we've been designing the events with children from the schools. It's been a real process of co-production.
The Lle Llais project here at Newborough Beach is inviting children and young people to engage in social and cultural learning activities for them to understand their place, identify where they belong and how they belong, and also develop new skills and experiences by learning outside in nature.
So today we've been participating in activities. There's been about 94 Year 9 students. As part of the Welsh Baccalaureate Community Challenge, they've been doing Welsh poetry, they've been making music out of natural objects, making animation. I think the students have gained a lot of teamwork and skills from today because they've had to make some of the example sounds together. They've kind of learnt how to work together in a team, as well as problem solving, planning and organisation. It's hitting all the integral skills that we need for our qualification, as well as just for their general life skills as well.
They've shared with us that many of them have not engaged in activities like this before. They've not experienced activities like this before, and it's enabled them to meet new people, to develop new skills, and to learn things that they enjoy.
I love that. Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Oh, beautiful.
I really enjoyed photography because I've never done photography and stuff like that before, and I think it's just really appealed to me. It feels really great. It's nice just being outside and relaxing and just feeling alive out here.
The focus of the event this year is on well-being. We're trying to understand how events like this contribute to the well-being of children and young people. In particular, we want to understand their responses to beautiful places like this, how strongly they feel, how good it makes them feel to be amongst nature.
Activities like this enable children and young people to find themselves in the world, to really understand things that they enjoy, and to develop networks of local people developing local skills in local environments across the island.